Hi everyone, Nonstop Filmer here. I've been using the Skydio 2 for about 3 months now. And yeah, I'm quite impressed with this autonomous capability and the seamless ability to avoid obstacle. And this is probably the only drone out there in the market right now that I can just confidently let it go into the air and let it do its own trick without worry about it crashing into anything. And that feeling is truly liberating. I'll be giving you a full-on tutorial of all the building features in the Skydio 2, but in all honesty, this drone is so easy to use. And all the features are as intuitive as the like and subscribe button. But if you are more of a visual learner, this will be a great video for you. So let's get it. I am going to start off with the skill features. The first mode in this feature is called the motion track. This mode turns on by default when you launch the drone, and notice how the Skydio will automatically recognize whether a person or an object is in the frame, then puts a plus sign or car symbol right next to them. You'll have to tap on the blue symbol to activate the tracking capability. And you also have to do that each time when you want to track a person or an object before activating each tracking skill. So now that we have the motion track stimulated, the Skydio will get aroused and follow you around like a stalker while keeping a socially safe distance like a gentleman. And you can also command the stalker to follow you at a particular angle that your heart desires. See how the Skydio will go to the position where I selected. So a total of 8 different angles that you can choose from. There are front right, back, back left, and front left. And you can also choose the range by pressing down to the positive and negative sign to make the drone further away or closer to you. And you can also adjust the height on the left corner. Fixed track. I really have nothing to say about this fixed track, but first you activate the skill and choose the position that you want the drone to be in relatively to your position, and the drone will simply follow you from the same position that you originally put it. The orbit is the autonomous flight features that oftentimes give me nergasm, because I use this feature quite often in my travel video, and to activate it, as soon as you click on the orbit icon, the drone will start to revolve around you, like the moon orbits the Earth orbits the Sun, and of course, the Tesla Model S also orbits around the Sun. You get the point. Now it's time to head back down to Earth, and if you want to check out some of my travel video, click on the top right corner for the drop-down list. Check them out while you can. While the drone is in the orbit mode, you can adjust the rotational speed and its direction, as well as the range and the height, however you like it. But I think the maximum height is about 100 feet, and the range, which is the radius away from you, it's about 50 feet. The cable mode works just like the original Pong game from the 80s. And the drone will travel between the points back and forth like a ping pong ball. Basically, you will have to set 2 waypoints by flying your Skydio to 2 different positions. And then the drone will memorize the 2 positions, orientations, and camera angle designated by point A and B. And the Skydio will bounce back and forth between the 2 points like a ping pong ball. But you do have to press the button each time when travel ends, as it doesn't bounce back and forth continuously. And you can also track yourself while the drone is traveling between the 2 points. I am not sure why this feature exists, but the name itself tells much about what it does. The drone pretty much hovers at a stationary position where you put it, and so just click on hover and bam, the Skydio will stay at one spot while fixating its camera upon you, just like the Sauron's eye from the Lord of the Ring. Interesting thing is that the Skydio will elevate itself to make room for you to go under while staying at the same place. Moving on to the one-shot features. The main difference in the one-shot from the skill feature is that the drone will not stop executing a shot until you tell it to stop, whereas the one-shot mode has a time duration. And depends on the mode that you choose, the duration can vary from a few seconds to about a minute. Basically, once you activate the one-shot mode, the Skydio will fly according to the mode that you choose, and then it returns back to you automatically once the shot is finished. Hence the name, one-shot. The one-shot is supposed to be as simple as smashing that like and subscribe button. But I'm going to show you how to do it anyway, just for fun. Dronie is the only words that I cannot find in the dictionary among the name of all the features. I think this word was made up by DJI when the Spark came out 3 to 4 years ago. Correct me if I'm wrong down in the comment below. And this mode is great for revealing the background scenery. So to activate this mode, tap on the one shot, select Dronie, then click on subject that you want to track. Once that's done, don't forget to click on the option button at the bottom right corner to select the distance and the speed that you want the drone to fly at. When that's done, just click on start and the drone will do everything by itself and return back to you when it's done. When you activate the rocket mode, make sure to stay as far away as possible because the drone will turn vertical and launch itself into space. Of course, you won't believe everything I just said because it's not possible, but I hope you can tell it was a joke. Only kidding. Basically, the drone will elevate while tilting the camera downwards to reveal what's on the ground. And there are also options to how high and how fast you want the drone to elevate under this mode. Vortex is the mode with the longest duration and most options to choose from. The entire duration will last about 30 seconds give or take, and there are 3 different shades of Vortex to choose from. And there are disc, corkscrews, and tornado. All 3 Vortex has either mile or extreme options. Mile orbits at a smaller circle and a smaller speed, and the extreme will orbits at a bigger radius at a faster velocity. Let's try the disc first, as it will orbit around you and then slowly expand its radius in each rotation like this. The corkscrew will orbit around you while keeping you at the same radius and elevates through each rotation. Last but not least, the tornado is pretty much a combination of this and corkscrew. So it revolves and expands radius and elevates in height simultaneously. Cool. The Boomerang works just like the Boomerang. The drone will fly out and return back to you in the droplet shape. And there are also options for speed and distance that you want the drone to fly out to. Okay, that's all the tutorial that I'll be covering. Consider subscribe and share this video if you find it helpful. Also check out some of these videos if you're interested. Bye.